Today I'll be unboxing the WRM V10. Okay, so the cube is right here and the accessories. Let's look at these first. How to solve the cube probably, adjustment tool, and how to adjust it. Here's the cube. It is very fast and loose. I'll have to be adjusting that. This is the UV 20 magnet ball core version. And it's got maglev. Let's take a look under the center cap. That's pretty nice. And I'll be back once I've adjusted it. So how you tension it is you take this tool and use this one and you insert it into that, and then depending on whether you turn clockwise or counterclockwise, it will adjust different parts of the cube. So the bottom one, I like to have it on 3. I don't know if you can see it, but there's that little notch right there. And the top one, that notch right there, is next to 4. It's a little bit confusing, but it's really easy to use once you get the hang of it. Here's what it looks like. As you can see, repelling edge magnets and attracting corner magnets to the core. This cube is really fast out of the box, so I'm going to add some controllable lube. This cube is great. I just added some FC glide and a little bit of weight too. This is still really fast. I'm not having many lockups at all. I actually think this will be my main. My main before was the GAN 12. Yeah, this is great. Let's do some solves.